Hi, my name is Nico. I'm a student in the 2022 Ag Discovery Program. I am 16 years old and I am enrolled in AAEC Paradise Valley and also taking classes in Paradise Valley Community College. I'm a member of FFA and I compete in livestock judging. This experience is what originally got me interested in learning more about agriscience. Coming into this program, my interest was centered around veterinary science and I was hoping to find out more about this career. This camp helped me narrow down my options over what I wanted to do for future careers and expand on opportunities within agriscience. While being in Yuma, we got to visit the Humane Society, where I got to learn a lot about animal problems that are being faced in the Yuma community. I was also able to learn more about the different ways that I can become a veterinarian with Dr. Ortiz. When we traveled to Tucson, we learned a lot more about animal science. I learned about birds and water conservation in the Sweetwater wetlands, which taught me how much work it takes to conserve wildlife in their natural habitat. My favorite part of Ag Discovery was the International Wildlife Museum, which had lots of cool and exotic animals, and it showed me the importance of wildlife conservation and preservation, as lots of the animals that were displayed had information over which ones were endangered or extinct due to poaching or invasive species taking over their food supply. An interesting activity that we did was Dr. Lopez's Food Safety Lab, which showed that even small pests can represent a major problem if not treated. We were also able to learn about pathology and why it's important to maintain a sterile field. One of the things I don't see myself doing is working as a veterinarian along the border like we saw in Nogales with Dr. Radley, and even though it's something I don't want to do myself, I give credit to those who are within the job description. I believe the most beneficial activity for me was the meat lab, where we got to witness the harvesting of cattle. This was a great experience because I got to see how our food is processed, which was fascinating. All of the experiences here have assured me that I want to pursue a career as a wildlife vet. With that, I'd like to thank the University of Arizona, as well as the USDA, for helping to fund this program. I would also like to thank Jason for getting me interested in entomology, as well as Leo for being a great driver and an awesome photographer, along with a lot of other things. Thank you to Dustin and Tanya for setting up the program, and the rest of the staff and interns for making this program very enjoyable.